For the inbound documents, we also start at the left with our document. This, for example, can be an invoice we received from one of our vendors per mail. The first step would be to put a barcode sticker onto the document so we can identify it later. Next, we scan the document and upload it into ELO. ELO then will recognize the barcode and write it onto the keywording. We then proceed with posting the invoice in D365. Before we start the posting process, we specify the barcode so the connector knows which document in ELO belongs to the invoice in D365. After posting, the connector will automatically update the keywording information in ELO based on the invoice we just processed in D365. If we now take a look into our ELO system, you can see I have a folder here called Inbox. In this folder, I already uploaded an invoice with a barcode sticker. And if we take a look into the keywording, you can see you can already find the barcode here. I copy that to the clipboard and switch to Dynamics 365. Now, to post the corresponding invoice, I simply go to all purchase orders, pick my purchase order, which is this one here, say invoice, generate, give it an invoice number, purchase invoice 001, for example, write the barcode, and simply click post. Now that our invoice has been posted successfully, we of course can go to DMS queries and take a look at our document and the keywording information, and you see everything has been updated successfully. And if we have a look into our ELO system, we can also see that the document has automatically been moved from our inbox into our folder structure that we have configured earlier.